Napdeng ki shpotli ki matrikam ki baka All India Trinamool Congress kalabu haka thop kular election jongka naka bentak election nong thau an jaka yung dorbar ka jela ka banlong haka arpnyo trik urempang arjar pulai ki mat ki bakam kongsan ki bakalabu hak mat kilong ka jingpyntreikam ya ka Memorandum of Understanding MoU penbetput balai soy hapdeng ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam ka jingpyntreikam ya ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA arjar khanrio bat kumjo ka Village Administration Bill ringkat ki Autonomous District Council ke Jela. Yakni ka top kular election ni manifesto jong ka party la pelat pat ba ha ka jingelang ha State Convention Center ha ka arp sautrik ukula lingkot arja arpulai ha ka balai don lang da National Secretary u Abhishek Banerjee u ba Charles Pingrove u State President u ba George B Lingdo State Vice President u Dr Mukul Sangma u nongilam kalyang persya yang dorbar tauan ke Jela u Derek O'Brien u MP Rajya Sabha ki kertong ke party nolor ki pat Kiwai pat kimat ki kentop ya kilat trai kamban kentiu ya yok kakot ka jingpen benta ya kalawai ka basengan dak ba pentreikam ya ka Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Scheme bat ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme ki bolong ka jingerap pisa sya ki samla bat ki long kemi ya ki badon jing duna ha ki department ki kentai ki bala yaplok bat ki bala temen karta ka AITC kala buru ki jingkular ban kentiu ya ka kamrap ki lat jing sumar ya ki khlong khna kumjoru ka jingpen biang ya ki PHC ni CHC Kapuli puti da kabayarap pisa sa kilong yeng ki bapa skolya ki kun kabalong khat arspa tingka sistem ka umbam ki surok kum ka Shillong Ring Road project ka ban penyaso e ka Eastern but Western bypass ban pelat ya ka jingdeng kali hanong ba Shillong nalor ki kam ban kentiu ya ki kam yelek kai ha ka jela
Meghalaya TMC has reached a juncture where we have seen as the only credible party which can take Meghalaya on the path of progress. And we couldn't have achieved this milestone without the love and support of the people of Meghalaya. Today marks a special occasion when we launch TMC's election manifesto and TMC's 10 pledges for Meghalaya to bring peace, progress, and prosperity to the state. The past year proved to be extremely fulfilling and fruitful for us. Our strength has increased manifold as more and more people of Meghalaya are showing support for our progressive vision. The massive support for our party and honorable leaders was seen at Mendipathat, where 50,000 plus people joined us. The ever-growing belief of the people in our honest work is a testament to our commitment towards Meghalaya's progress.
As I've always said, is to turn this state, beautiful state, into a model state across all sectors. The healthcare and education system will be revamped, the economy will be boosted for growth, the civic infrastructure will be made available for all, indigenous rights will be protected at all costs, and no decisions will be anti-people or taken without their consent. This document that we present before you today, this has aspiration of lakhs of Meghalayans. This document, as I said, is not just a mere document. It is a vision document to show the world what Meghalaya is capable of. And it has been prepared by the grassroots expertise of our workers, colleagues, leaders, and through an extensive consultation with the people across, from all walks of life, be it experts, students, activists, grassroots leaders, civil society organizations, community representatives, entrepreneurs, men, women, young boys and girls. When Trinamool first stepped into Meghalaya, a lot of people labeled us as outsiders. The TMC is an outside party. It's an outsider party. It knows nothing about Meghalaya. It's with immense pride, and it fills my heart with great joy to present before you a manifesto with 10 pledges which has been construed with extensive deliberation, as I said, with all people across all walks of life, and all strategic border areas to be set up to address this issue of unwarranted surrender of land to Assam and protect the residents in border villages and border MOUs signed with the government of Assam will be revoked. So these are the 10 pledges that we make before you, and we want to assure you that all these 10 pledges will be honored as and when TMC forms the government on the 2nd of March, when the results come out and the state is ready to welcome a change with open arms.